Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canny Nana. Today I am making a very, very simple pot roast in the crock pot. So, I have a 3-pound roast, just a regular chuck roast sitting here. I have some chopped onions, some chopped celery, some chopped carrots, and chopped potatoes. And for the gravy that it's going to be cooking in, I'm using the Better Than Bouillon, and this is the roasted beef base. Usually I use the regular beef base, but I have recently found this roasted beef base in the large jar for only $7 at Costco. And let me tell you guys, if you want something like bone broth to drink, bouillon to warm you up, I know a lot of us are still experiencing winter, which is crazy. But this will warm you up, and it's really, really good tasting. You just add a teaspoon of this to an 8-ounce glass of hot boiling water. It is so good, you guys. This tastes like beef broth that I've made. So that's why I'm using it. So it's really good. It's the first time I'm going to be using it in a pot roast, but I've used it to make gravy and all kinds of stuff already. So pot pies, it's really good. Highly recommend it. If you can find it in your area, try it. This is not sponsored by Better Than Bouillon, by the way. I just really love this stuff, and when I believe in a product, I want to share it with you guys. So all I'm going to be doing is putting this roast in the crock pot, and I've got some water boiling in my kettle right now. So we're going to put this roast in here. Get in there, roast. I'm going to throw that away. And my kettle is going right here with some water in it. We're just going to move that around, and I'm going to get some seasoning and season this up. Okay, so 3 things that I like to use. Laurie's seasoned pepper, Laurie's seasoned salt, and the Thrive seasoning, the all-purpose Chef's Choice blend. This has everything in it. It's all natural, it's all freeze-dried, and it is really, really good. If you guys haven't tried this, oh my gosh. I use this on everything. So good. My website for Thrive Life is in the description box below. If you haven't tried this, I highly recommend this. This stuff is so good. So I am just going to be putting some on here. I usually use like an herbs de Provence on here, but today I'm just going to be using this. I've been using my Thrive seasoning a lot lately. So I'm going to do this to both sides. I'm going to pat it down. And I'm going to be putting some garlic on there as well. And then just turning this over and doing the same to the other side. Okay, so I've done both sides, and I've also put some of my garlic, my minced garlic on there. So now all we're going to do is we're going to add the onions in and the carrots. And I just cut enough carrots, celery, and onions for the 2 of us, but I cut extra potatoes because I know that there's going to be meat left over. Okay, so get them all in there, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. This is so easy, you guys. Put it together. It is 10 o'clock in the morning here. This is going to be ready for when me and my husband are ready to eat later on. Just so easy to do. Okay, so I have my water that has boiled, and we are going to put about 4 cups of this in here, or as much as is in my kettle. Okay, so we are going to take a couple teaspoons of this and put it directly in this water right here. Just melt it in there before I put it into the pot. Now you can do this in the pot before you put all of your meat and vegetables in there. I just prefer to do it this way, but both are just as easy. And you can also do this in Instapot, you guys. It doesn't have to be in the crock pot. If you want to do it in the Instapot, it takes about 40 minutes in the Instapot, and it tastes just as good. So you just want to mix this in here really well. until it's completely mixed up. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Somebody needs to invent smell-o-vision, really. This is so good. I might have just a cup of this for lunch. So the weather has finally dried out here in California, but today it's supposed to be windy. So we go from lots of rain and snow to wind. But if you haven't heard, California is now out of a drought and has the biggest snowpack in over 40 years. So I guess we're doing well on that front. Oh, you know, we pray for rain and then we get what we prayed for and then we get a little bit too much, right? It's crazy. Okay, so we are going to put this goodness into the crock pot right here. So we're going to need more, but this will be all nice and mixed in already. Oh, right, not need anymore. Oh, there we go. Okay, mix this in. Okay, so we got it all mixed in there. Gonna probably add just a little bit more in a little bit, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, look at the goodness. So good. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to put this on simmer. Like I said, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm just going to put this on simmer on high. I'm using my Hamilton Beach. This is the same one that I gave away a couple of months ago now, I guess. I guess it was a couple months ago. Put the lid on. And we're just going to let it go. It's going to heat up by itself, and then I will bring you guys back when I'm ready to serve it later on. Thanks for watching for now. And we're going to do a word of the day at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be giving away another seasoned pepper, you guys. So I will see you soon, and make sure that you watch the collaboration videos from March, the what I will and will not can, and what I will and will not dehydrate, or what I like and what I don't. For both of those. So, and there's some dehydrating videos coming. I know a lot of you guys have asked me about dehydrating videos, how you use the dehydrated food, and I'm also going to be doing some freeze-dried food and showing you guys what that looks like. I haven't done that in a while. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Okay, it is time for the reveal. The pot roast is done. We are going to let it steam so you guys can see. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna dish it out. I've got some cheese bread that's cooking. Look at that. Look at how delicious that looks. Nice and tender, just falling apart. Look at that. And we've got all of our vegetables in here. Oops, sorry about that. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna dish it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, here is what it looks like plated, and I'll show you the cheese bread. It is amazing, you guys. Love this stuff. I'm gonna have to do a separate video on that. And here is the pot roast. There's a lot of meat underneath there too. This whole bowl is filled. So this one is my husband's. Look at how good. Oh, I wish you could smell this. And look at the broth. Look at that. The oils on the broth, just like if you made your own beef bone broth, and it tastes just as good. Very, very good. Of course, it's not the same as bone broth, but it tastes the same, and this has very little sodium in it, so it's really good, you guys. Okay, there is the cheese bread and whole dinner. Thanks for watching, you guys. The word of the day is going to be pot roast. I did the other part of the video earlier today, so I'm hoping I didn't do a word of the day already. But the word of the day today is going to be pot roast. If I said something earlier, then go ahead and do that word as well, and we'll just do 2 giveaways from this video. I don't remember. I've been doing a lot of stuff in between. But all you do is you comment the word of the day, which is pot roast, in the video, in the comment section, and you are eligible to win whatever I'm giving away for this one. I'm not sure if I said maybe Italian seasoning, maybe Laurie's seasoned pepper, one of those. But make sure that you're subscribed and like the video, thumbs up the video. It really helps my channel get pushed out there to new subscribers, new viewers. And I hope you enjoyed this. And please go and check out my other channel, More Fun Than Sitting at Home. The link is in the description box. We're really trying to get that channel going. and try to get it up to 1,000 subscribers, and we are going to be doing a really big giveaway when we do that. We are going to be taking you along on a trip that I'm going on with my sister out of the country, and that's all I'm going to say. It's going to be really fun. So thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.